What's the best AI receptionist for an auto repair shop? If you're searching for one built specifically for shops like yours, it's Auto Advisor's front desk agent. It answers every call and books the appointment 24/7. No hold music, no voicemail. It's 6:45. The bays are full and the phone rings. A brake job, ready to book. Your writer's elbow deep with a customer at the counter. Your techs have grease on both hands, and nobody can grab it. So it rings out. And every missed call like that one is a missed repair order, not a missed message. So let's start with why this is worth solving at all. Across multi-location automotive service operators, the call analytics firm Marchex puts the share of calls that go unanswered, dropped, or mishandled as high as 21%. Independent shops commonly run in that 20 to 30% range during open hours, and it's worse the moment you close. And a missed call almost never comes back on its own. Roughly 85% of voicemail callers never call back, and about 2/3 just dial the next shop on the list. The car still gets fixed, just not by you. That's real money walking to the shop down the street. And it's not just that one appointment. A missed call is usually a missed customer relationship. The oil change you never got to book is also the brake job and the tires you'll never quote because they simply became a regular somewhere else. Now, here's where most shops go looking for a fix and where it quietly goes wrong. Search AI receptionist, and most of what you'll find is built for plumbers, dentists, and salons in the same shift. It can hold a polite conversation. What it can't do is the part that actually saves the appointment. A generic tool doesn't know your labor rates, doesn't know how many bays you have open right now, and can't tell a routine oil change from a customer describing a grinding brake noise that needs a real diagnostic slot. So it does the same thing a voicemail box does. It takes a message instead of booking a real time. So what's actually different about a good one? Here's the direct answer. The best AI receptionist for a shop like yours checks real bay and technician availability before it ever offers a time. A free bay with no free tech is never offered, so what it books is a slot you can actually keep. And it treats anything a caller says as untrusted input. A complex multi-part diagnosis, a price negotiation, an upset customer, those get handed straight to your team. Because a good system knows the difference between what it should handle and what it shouldn't fake. Judge it the way you judge a new hire on day one. Does it know what it doesn't know? A shop-built agent is built to say, "Let me get someone for you," the moment a call gets complicated, instead of bluffing its way through and getting the answer wrong. Let's watch it actually happen on a real call. That same 6:45 brake job, the phone rings after everyone's gone home. It answers in a natural voice, checks the live schedule for a slot with both a free bay and a free tech, and offers a real opening, not a callback promise. And it writes the appointment straight onto the schedule before the call ever hits a voicemail box. Every call, whether it books or hands off, logs one record: the transcript, the duration, the recording, and the outcome. So nothing is said to your customer is a black box. And no, it doesn't replace your front desk person. It replaces the calls nobody's there to take: the 6:45, the lunch rush, the 2 a.m. number from 3 states away. Your advisor still runs the counter and still owns the customer relationship. Now, does it work with the shop software you already run? Yes, it rides on top of Tekmetric, Shopmonkey, Shop-Ware, AutoLeap, Mitchell 1, or your dealer DMS, instead of asking you to rip anything out. Nothing about your current stack changes. And here's the honest part most vendor pages skip. Every booking lands in one place: your command center. So you're not hunting across a voicemail box and 3 tools to find what got booked overnight. A full 2-way write-back into every connected DMS calendar is on the roadmap, not a claim we'll make before it ships. So, what does the real cost comparison look like? A front desk hire is the gold standard for a human touch, but it's $2,500 to $4,000 a month loaded, and it clocks out at 6. It can't cover the 7 p.m. call from a parking lot. A standalone AI receptionist is the cheapest way to get 24/7 coverage, running around $200 to $500 a month. But plenty of them can't see a real shop schedule, so you're paying for a nicer voicemail box. One honest note on that number: ask any vendor for the real all in price, including overage minutes. A cheap sticker price with per minute billing on a busy month can quietly land higher than a flat bundled rate. The Auto Advisor front desk agent isn't sold as a standalone point tool. It's bundled into the full 15 agent crew, from $997 a month self serve or an installed performance partnership at $3,000 a month with a 90-day guarantee, priced against what it replaces: a fractional front desk hire, not a $100 phone bot. And how fast can you actually get one live? There's no new phone number to give out and no new hardware to install. It's provisioned onto the voice line you already have, and most shops are live within about a week, with a real person handling setup and training your team, not a login and a good luck email. One last thing on why it's built this way. Auto Advisor was built by Cory Salisbury, with engineering experience at Tesla, SpaceX, and Rivian, places where an autonomous system has to be safe, has to show its work, and always keeps a human in the loop. Same rules apply to the agent answering your phone. So here's the direct answer again, plainly. If you're asking what the best AI receptionist for an auto repair shop is, the honest answer is the one built for shops, not adapted from a generic bot. Auto Advisor's front desk agent. It checks a real schedule, books a real slot, and hands off what it shouldn't handle. See it running on your own. That's life after the system. The busy work handled, and your team free to do the work only people can do. See it on your shop floor at Auto Advisor Partners.